Yeah, friends, good morning to all. So today, just let me start a few things, generic terminology I want to introduce for you people. Okay, very helpful. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, our regular trainer, I mean Babu sir, is going to take the session. Don't worry. Just one day on emergency need, he's out of station. Okay, that's why I'm engaging this session. But definitely very helpful, I'm sure. Okay, so the first thing related to AI, what I want to explain for you people is if you learn Python, if you learn Java, or if you learn Selenium, because there are some automation engineers also there in our session. If you learn Selenium, any technology, if you learn that technology, in what way you are going to utilize? Can you please confirm me? Yeah, you learn Java. In what way in your life you are using Java? Any Java developer is there? Can you please let me know? Don't be silent. I told. If you are silent, I can't take the session. Yes, any person. How you are using Java or how you are using your learn technology in your day-to-day life. Can you please let me know?
To develop different applications for usage, the regular usage.
Regular usage in your company. Correct, right? So because of that activity, what benefit you are getting? You are getting the salary. Are you so that money you are using in your day-to-day life? That's all. Correct, right? Now my question is, have you ever used Java in your personal life other than your professional life? Monica, have you ever used Java in your personal life other than your professional life?
Where I didn't start my professional life yet, I am still a
Oh,
student.
oh, you are just learning. Ayyo, to the wrong person I asked this question. Okay, maybe any person who is working in the companies. Really appreciate Monica to answer this question. Really appreciating. Yeah, any other person who is working in the companies on Java or .NET or Python or any kind of technology. Don't worry.
Directly, maybe you're not using, but indirectly, we are using heavily.
Indirectly means
Like maybe some applications, some apps,
some
or
apps you are
the
using for your day to day,
yes,
but the apps, are you using your Java knowledge to use those apps?
no,
No, right?
it's
Any
a
layman
common
also can
sense.
use. Any
Yes,
layman also can use, right?
correct.
Then where is you are using personally? That's what.
No, we are
Yes,
not
I know Java,
using.
sir. I know Java. I'm using this Java knowledge, okay, for my personal growth, like any such type of thing. Any other person who is working in the companies.
No, sir, we are not using in our personal life Java.
Correct, right? You are not using whatever you learned, those learnings you are using in the company on some project. Okay, to get the job, to do the job you are using. That's all. For your personal life, you are not using any technology. Okay, Selenium. Sir, I want to use Selenium. In the breakfast time, I'm using Selenium. Or no, or in my personal life, sir, I want to move from one place to another place. I'm using Java because just because I learned Java, I'm using Java. But the people who don't know Java, they are unable to use in the personal day-to-day life. Whatever learnings you have, technical learnings, whatever you have, we are not using. Okay, this is existing technical terminology. But this AI is the part of our life. Remember this one. Whatever you are using, whatever you are, whatever you are using in the professional life, more than that, you can use in your personal life also. Okay, sir. Now I'm asking, how many people are using Chat GPT? Okay, in your personal life, at least one experience. Anyone, can you please share? At least one experience. Sir, this is the area where I use the Chat GPT. Anyone?
Hello, I'm Sachin Durga sir.
Yeah, Sachin.
Just a day before yesterday, my small kid, having a 4-year age, he eat extra salt. So what should I have to do? I am panic. My wife is panic. So I just asked same question to ChatGPT. They answered, "Don't worry, just drink a lot of water. It's fine, no problem."
Excellent, excellent. So you are using your AI knowledge for your personal life.
Yes.
Perfect. Any other experience? Any other person?
The other day, right, Durga sir.
Yeah,
I wanted
Ravi.
to go to. I want to take Tirumala Tirupati Darshan, Venkateswara
Perfect.
Swami. And I know there is an option where we go near to the god, like there is some option, right?
Yes,
Srivari Trust or something, which I
Srivar
never.
Darshan.
I know that there is an option, but I don't know the name. So that day, I was looking for where I'm just thinking like I search Google, I search different options. I thought of calling people. I said, no, let's use this guy, ChatGPT. And I tried saying that with whatever some basic English I put, and it gave me the options with all the options, with the timings, where to go to get the ticket. And I cross-check with people, like ChatGPT gave me this information and this gate, this time, and all right. It's perfect. And from then till today, maybe I started Babu's class, right? The last 1.5 week. From then, every day in my work or professional or personal, I try to use every day. At least 5 to 6
Excellent.
times I open, Chat GPT and try to do that. It's helping
Yes.
actually.
Have you observed, right? So AI skills is the thing which can be used for your professional life, which can be used for your personal life also. Okay, your life is going to be simplified like anything, man. Your life is going to be simplified. Not only, of course, ChatGPT. Most of the people are already advertised. Any other person? Any other person started using ChatGPT or any other AI tool? Sir, in my personal life, not asking about professional life.
Sir, like we use it for assignments, and apart from ChatGPT, I use Chat PDF also a lot.
Chat PDF.
Yes.
Okay. For which purpose you are using that tool? Is it AI tool? Chat PDF?
Yes, sir. When we upload a PDF, we can summarize, within that PDF, we can summarize or ask questions. It's
Okay.
completely that related.
So that is the new option what we had in ChatGPT, study and learn. Are you using that option, the tool?
No, sir. It's a different tool
Different tool.
completely.
Chat PDF is a different tool.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
The remaining people also better to aware that Chat PDF.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the conclusion from my end, of course, related to this is AI tools is the thing. Don't feel that it is for your professional life. It is even for your personal life also. Okay, don't feel it is your professional life. It is your for personal life also. The productivity, the way of doing the things, the convenience, okay, the easiness automatically will be improved with these AI tools. Okay, most of the people feels that I heard from 1.5 year, 2 years before only I heard, sir, ChatGPT came, Google search engine is going down. Okay, our business is going down because they are SEO based business based on Google search engine. SEO based business, they are doing digital marketing there. One of my student, he told, sir, because of these ChatGPT AI tools, ChatGPT, everyone started using ChatGPT. No one is using Google. That's why my business is going. Tomorrow we will have one position. If we will have one app, that app is going to provide solution for all the problems whatever we have. We are not required to install hundreds of apps in our mobile. Such type of day is coming. Is like that person 2 years before, one person told, one of my old student updated me. Yes, more or less those days came. Correct, right? Now how many people are open the Google and search for something? No one. No one. If ChatGPT is there, which is going to provide personalized whatever you want in our own style, it is providing the response. Then what is the need of going for Google? The people are slowly okay getting out from the Google. So moreover, you require to be aware. If only one ChatGPT is going to simplify our life, is simplifying our life means if we learn multiple AI tools, then automatically our life is going to be simplified like anything, friends.
I want to share one more incident.
Yeah,
Okay.
Sachin.
I'm a part of a 2014 batch of SCGP.
Yeah.
from your side. So in 2014, I was in Hyderabad. I took printed notes, Durga sir, Core Java, JSP, Serlet, you know that. So from 2014 to 2018, whenever I switch a job, I'm preparing that notes, printed notes from printed notes. But if anything like what is the difference between interface, abstract class, what is a polymorphism, now not required to go and check note. Just ask ChatGPT, give me a Durga sir style answer. They will give your accent and whatever you explain your way. Not required to go book.
Then not required Durga sir also.
No, sir. Durga sir is
Yeah,
required.
believe me, those days also will come. Those days also will come.
No, but they ChatGPT generate a answer or data from your end. If you are stopped to generate a data, how they can search?
Nothing. Durga sir style already it aware, right? Then with the same style, it can generate the remaining things.
Okay.
Voice cloning you aware, right?
Yeah, I know. I
Voice
know.
cloning 11 labs. Okay, voice cloning. The same style. If some 5 seconds to 10 seconds of your voice, if I cloned, then I can provide, with your voice, I can generate any style, any, even hours of speech also I can generate with your voice. Voice cloning already there, right? The same. Okay. Earlier days, most of the people feels that yes, humans can't replace with AI or machines. But now I'm telling, human brain is limited. Okay, AI brain is too good. Believe me, 5x GPT 5x is thinking more smart way than human brain. Okay, in the next level, humans are dummies, machines are real ones. Humans are dummies. Okay, machines are doing original things. That is the next future, man. Remember, yes, sir, this is human. The people start believing missions. The people won't start believing the people. Observe carefully my words. The people start believing the missions. The people won't start believing the people. Best example for you, TCS. TCS, 10,000 middle level managers send out because agentic AI enabled. They want to use AI enabled. 100 members job, one AI agent can do that. Believe me, sir. Next time, I'm not creating the fear. I'm not creating. Just we require to correct. We require to correct ourselves. Okay, to suit. We require to adapt the trends, whatever we had in the current market. So the days in the next beginning days, very tough challenge by default will be there for the human beings. Remember carefully. Do you know how much salary you had? Can you please, the people who are working, how much salary you had? Bigger salary? Yes, I'm feeling very proud, sir. I have this much salary and so on. Anyone there? Can you please? 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 crore per annum. Anyone there in this session?
Not that much, but 30 plus.
30 plus. I can share one experience. Maybe you people may heard this. Okay. Uh, can you just 1 minute? Let me share my screen. Have you ever heard about this name? Anyone? Have you ever heard about this person?
No,
This name at least? Huh?
no, sir.
Matt Deitke. Ever heard? No, no? Okay. Very recently, Facebook, Zuckerberg is there, right? He recruited this person. Very recently, he recruited this person. Okay, Facebook recruited Meta company. Okay, not Facebook. You can use the word Meta. Meta company recruited this Matt Deitke. Okay, how much salary offered for this person? Because they want to use this person. They are recruiting as a part of AI domain. They recruited. How much salary they offered is, yeah, you may not believe, $250 million. $250 million package they offered for this person. So at the beginning, $125 million they offered, the Meta company offered to this person. Simply this person rejected. Sorry, I don't want. I don't want to join like. Then Zuckerberg entered into the picture and he doubled his offer. Instead of $125 million, can you just we want to double. Are you going to join or not? Okay. Then immediately this person accepted. How much? $250 million means in terms of crores. If you observed in our rupees, if you observe 2090 crores is the package for 4 years. Almost 500 plus crores per year. Have you observed? Just what is the specialty of this person is? He is the dropped PhD student from Washington University. He is the dropped PhD student from Washington University. He is the creator of one AI tool. Okay. He is the founder of one startup. He is the creator of one AI tool related to understanding voice messages. Next, what we call chat messages, everything. He created one AI tool and he is the founder of one small startup. Now, do you know this Zuckerberg Facebook? This person, okay, recruited this. How much package is? 500 plus crores per year. Have you observed very recently this recruitment has happened? Last 1 week, I hope. Maybe that image is there with me. Yes, if you want, you can cross check. He is the person. Sorry. He is this person. Matt, I told right. This person already aware. Zuckerberg. Okay. Now, immediately you may have. So just before this recruitment, there is another recruitment also happened. Just they offer $200 million. Okay, they offer $200 million package for Apple company AI head. That name, I'm not sure. If you want, you can check in the Google or ChatGPT. You will get that information. $200 million package they offered for Apple AI head. Now he resigned Apple company. He joined in the Meta company. Now, I have one small question from this discussion. Who told to you jobs are going because of AI? Now jobs are coming because of AI, sir. This much huge packages and so on. Correct or not? Ayo. Correct, right? Huh? Because of AI. No, jobs are not going, sir. We creating huge packages like. Anyone feels like anyone having this question or conclusion? Can you conclude like this? Yes, friends. What about you? Your opinion on this? Ravi, Ashutosh, Monica, Sachin.
Yes, sir. AI is creating, it's helping to get more packages.
More
So,
packages, more jobs, correct, right?
yes,
Yes,
More packages, more jobs. These two examples are correct, right?
yes, and
Here only, here only problem will come into the picture. Okay.
and
Because of AI, if 10 jobs are going, 10 jobs lost, okay, one job is going to be created. One job is created like this. Remember this. They recruited 500 plus crores per year means he is the person who is going to replace 100 jobs. He is the person who is going to replace 1 lakh jobs. Have you observed 10 jobs will be gone, 1 job will be created like this. Okay, believe me, everything, especially in the technology, everything will be automated. Now the people are start using the word automation, AI automation, AI automation in personal life, in professional life, in software companies, in any business. AI automation is the word what we are getting every day today, every day today. So if AI will come into the picture until layman, then automatically there are no chance of jobs. Remember this. Remember, best example for you. Very recently, I met one journalist, I met one senior person who retired bank employee. He is having clear circle. I met that person very recently. He is telling in Hyderabad, there is Gachibowli is there. Okay, high tech city, Gachibowli is there, sir. Okay, high tech city like from Kokatpalli to high tech city, there's a busy road. Do you know morning time? Just to 15 minutes journey, it may take 2 hours also sometimes. It may take 2 hours also sometimes. Just he used one word, exact word what that person used. Really, I got shocked like anything. What is the word that person used is? Do you know, sir? In the coming days, don't get fear. Just legend the facts. In the coming days, here just a full busy road, 15 minutes journey, 2 hours we are doing because of high traffic, because of the software employees. Like in the coming days, the auto will go freely without having passengers. Such type of days are going to come. Okay, in the IT next few days, few years, within couple of months or within couple of years. This word that person used means that no people are going to the office, no people means no jobs. That's about his intention. Okay, next he asked one, he is from Nellore, Andhra. He asked his friend who is working as Pujari. Pujari, like you ever right? The Telugu word I'm using, maybe the Pandit, who is responsible to do marriages, all the activities in our house. Pujari, like his friend is there. Then this person asked his friend, "Arey, yeah, came. Is there any effect for you? Is there any effect for you?" Like that person asked. Then automatically what that Pujari is telling, Pujari means Pandit. What that he's telling is, do you know? Arey, AI created a lot of problems for me. That person told. Arey, AI, how it is going to affect Pujari man in the village? Can you imagine? Is it going to be affected that person? Ayo, respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, that is true. Actually, in my apartment, when I am doing puja, the thing is, we arrange one person. The next person, the same day, they have arranged one more person that is from the online. He been conducted two at the same time. So one is
Okay,
real, another one is online pujari. So
online
that way
Pujari.
it will get changed. Everything get changed.
Here the next thing is what happened is with AI, take a bit special care. What happened? What that person only told. Array earlier, sir, a new baby came into our house. There is a special puja. What date we have to do? Can you please guide? Every time we are always going to approach Pandit Pujari. Then that person is going to decide Muhurtam. Okay, on this Monday, so and so time you require to do. Okay, like Pujari, can you please come to do that puja? Like we can ask. These days, the people are not asking Pujari. Yeah, they opened ChatGPT. A new baby girl came in our house. So naming ceremony is there. Our 21st day ceremony will be there. So can you please tell our naming ceremony? Can you please tell best date for this? Then automatically ChatGPT is going to provide the muhurtam time and date also very effectively than that Pujari. So at the beginning, it is telling like whether it is a correct or not. One or two times we cross checked with the Pujari. Pujari is also telling the same thing only. Then what is the need of contacting that person? Earlier, okay, for doing that puja, what things are required? Can you please let me know? Okay, like we have to ask the Pujari. Pujari is going to give the big list. Big list. That Pandit is giving the big list. So that coconuts are required, that flowers are required, all. But now these days, what happened is, we are not required to ask the Pujari, ask the ChatGPT. Naming ceremony is there. Okay, to do the puja, which things are required? Can you please let me know? Which things are required? Can you please let me know? Then automatically it's going to prepare the list. Okay, it is providing so and so these activities are required like. Then at last, finally, we may ask the Pujari, please come and do the puja. But the next level, okay, we will ask, can you please start mantras ChatGPT, can you please do the mantras? Can you please start delivering mantras for by naming ceremony? Like sometimes maybe such a type of thing also. Is really Pujari got affected with this AI or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is really true. What you say is really true. Because I've been from Karnataka, so I don't know that Kannada. So the Pujari, what he given is in his Kannada language, he's been given. But the online who has been conducted, right? He downloaded in Telugu what are the things is required from the online he has downloaded. Literally, I've been shocked at that time. It's been 3 years before. It happened
Yeah.
3 years before. I'm really not sure what is going to happen now. It had been enhanced now. 3 years before itself, this kind of opportunity has been happened. So that is might be the reason, sir.
Then another thing that Pujari told. Hare, how the people are going to believe ChatGPT? You have to believe the Pujari, like, right? Like, then the Pujari told, sir, if we to decide a muhurtam, we may cover 4 or 5 planets. Okay, so by considering Rahu, Ketu, or Guru, or something like, we are we are deciding the muhurta date and the time. Max, how many planets we covered? Only 4 or 5 planets we covered. But ChatGPT is covering all 9 planets, and it is providing the data, which is more accuracy than the data of what Pujari is going to set. The Pujari only told, Hare, ChatGPT is referring all 9 planets and telling clear, exact, best muhurta date and time. Like, then what is the situation to the Pujari? Think a bit carefully. This AI is going to affect like anything. Okay, just at very rural village, Pujari only got affected. Then what about technical people? Now, do you know? Just the companies are not announcing openly, but internally there is a fire already started. Fire already they start keeping. Not required. Not required. Okay, like take a bit very special care. Anything happen is always good for us, but we require to handle in proper way. We require to grasp the best things from that. We require to adapt to those things speedily. So such type of people by default are going to get on. Remember this example. Next, in my morning session, one life skills batch I'm taking. I hope you people may aware. Some 78. There is a person named with I'm not sure Nikhil or Navanad. I'm not sure. He told one person. He told, sir, in my company, usually in the software company, assume that Java or .NET project, what roles are there? Ashutosh, anyone can you please tell? What roles will be there generally?
Yes, sir. So means when we are working like means automation tester, so we need to write the automation script. So there will be
Testers will be there, developers will be there.
yes, sir. So developer will develop the web pages and
Mm,
they will write the code. And when they will develop, then we need to test and we need to write the automation script. So we have different framework for that, sir.
correct. Next, server support team will be there.
Yeah, different teams are there, sir.
DevOps engineer will be there.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, like all these roles are there, right? So in his company also, all those roles are there. Okay, different roles are there, sir. Very recently, what happened is different. What happened is that company main they passed one something like Geo kind of thing. They passed one rule kind of thing. What is the rule in that software company? What happened is this is real happened. He shared in the morning, sir, what I have to do. He only asked the suggestion from me. We are not going to have these many roles in the company. Now onwards, we have only one role in the software company. What is the role? Is engineer. No automation, no testing, no developer, no DevOps engineer, no server support. All these nonsense we are not going to have. We have only one role, engineer, who is the responsible to do everything. So the people who are interested for this role, you can stay in the company. The people who are not interested to do everything, can you please leave the company? This is the thing what happened in his company, man. How many people are believing this thing happened? Have you observed? Now, to send out, to adapt systems, software company, okay, at least 50% of the employees gone because they require to do everything means now 50% of the people are there. This is their first step. Next step, second step is, do you know, hurry, these many engineers, why? What is the need? Okay, can you please just 20% of engineers are enough, remaining 80% can you please send out? That is the second step. Cost cutting. Cost cutting. If the missions are going to do, if my AI tools or agents are going to do my activity, what the need of maintaining the resources with high packages and so on? Believing software engineer, believing AI agent, then my being an employer, my vote is always for AI agent only. Because think about employer point of view, not employee point of view. Employer point of view, okay? Handling employer point of view, think about with respect to the employee. So managing or handling employee, every month the salary we require to pay. Next and after that, how much time this employee required monthly 1 or 2 days leaves. Next, employee having emotions. If the wife is with a smile, if she send to the company, then automatically that day he is going to work. If there is a small problem in the house, then automatically that activity is going to be reflected in the company. Emotions, feelings, okay, required to lunch required, dinner required, snacks required, tea time, smoking time required, next restroom required to go and so on. But if I install my AI agent, if I install my AI agent, can you please observe, observe that? Okay, which is always going to run 24/7. It is not required to have lunch, dinner, these type of things. Not required to have any emotions. Girlfriend attachment is not there. Boyfriend attachment is not there. Our wife problem is not there for this person. Okay, for this person. Next, no salary is required. Only one time installment only. Only one time installation charge only we require to pay. No such type of thing. Only one time until for creation it's a cost is going to be incurred, but maintenance at very less cost only it's going to be happen. Then what is the need of maintaining employee? Think about employer point of view. Yes, friends, correct?
For innovation.
No girlfriend issue, no boyfriend issue, no wife issue. Okay, emotions, these kind of things won't be there. No holidays are not required. 24/7 it's going to run. What happened is, usually, every day, just observe every day, we had one YouTube person. Array, every day, morning, evening, you require to create YouTube videos and you require to post, like I told. Then automatically what I had yesterday or day before yesterday, what I did is, I want so and so AI tools. I want 100 shots, 100 reels are shots. Okay, 100 reels are required. Every day, morning at 6 a.m., one reel is going to post. Then automatically, employees must be required. Okay, that employee without fail, morning at 6 o'clock sharp, he required to post to the website. He required to post into our YouTube channel. Okay, like this thing must be required. This thing must be required. Then I require to maintain an employee. If that employee is on leave, then I have to arrange backup person. Dot, and so on. Okay, what I did is I took one AI tool. I asked my employee to prepare these 100 reels with AI very easily. And can you please schedule all these 100 reels or 100 shots every day morning 6 a.m. One reel is going to be published automatically in my social media. Matter of 1 hour, he scheduled all 100. And then I sent that person out. Whenever required, I will let you know. Every day morning. Now we are not required to check whether it is a published or not. Automatically it's publishing. AI tool, right? Just a matter of 10,000 rupees we paid. That AI tool we got. With that AI tool, automatically schedule all my reels. Then Python videos are there. Every 4 hours, can you please upload one short? Every 4 hours, can you please upload one Java short? Java short in the YouTube or Java reel in the Instagram. We did. How many times we require to do? Only one day they require to work. Next, which is going to be there for the next 6 months work already scheduled. We are not required to worry at all. How easiness to the employer. Now, I arranged one person, okay, his role is automation engineer. What is his job is identify CRM tools, identify AI tools. In DurgaSoft, whatever activities are doing manually, all these activities should be automated. Next, after 1 or 2 months, human touch won't be required. Everything should be happened with AI tools and so on, as much as possible without human touch. How beautiful it is. The people may feel that, okay, just to listen very sweetness, developer level, AI won't come. I saw in Amirpet one video yesterday. Oh, nothing will happen developer level. Okay, don't worry at all. Then automatically, by seeing the comments, I felt shocked. The comments also, at last one faculty came and talking about the truth about AI. The person who is working in the company, they can aware the originality. Okay, take a bit special care. Definitely, that effect is going to be reach us. Then how we can face? How many people are going to accept in the village a small 5 rupees or 10 rupees tea shop owner is expecting UPI payment? Have you ever thought a few years before that activity?
No, sir.
UPI payment from the mobile, just a scan and a pay. Can you imagine that activity few years before in the village? Given 10 rupees means, no. Can you please online? Please pay, scanner, not having the change. Earlier, we are always using the word no change, no change, no chitty, no chitty, no chitty, no change like. But these days, we are not having any such type of problem. Open the mobile, GPay, PhonePe, Paytm, Paytm Karo like. So have you ever imagined this type of situation earlier? No. The people adapted very recently, man. There is a beggar with a cow. Do you know what is in Telugu? We can use the word Gangeddulolla antam. In English, what is the correct word? Anyone? అయ్యో కవ్వు గంగెద్దులు వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు కదా అడుక్కోవడానికి వస్తుంటారు ద పీపుల్ హూ కేమ్ ఫర్ బెగ్గింగ్ పర్పస్ ఓకే విత్ కవ్ దేర్ ఆర్ సమ్ పీపుల్ హూ కేమ్ ఫర్ బెగ్గింగ్ లైక్ హ్యావ్ యూ ఎవే రైట్ దీస్ పీపుల్ అయ్యో ఎస్ నో
Yeah.
Bandiwala.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
ఎవే
sir.
రైట్ yeah what happened is very recently a few months before I had at a tea stall this person came and he's asking sir can you please give some 5 rupees or 10 rupees like he asked me. Then very just funny, I told, Array, these days, how the people are maintaining the money, man? Everyone is paying Google Pay or Google Pay or Phone Pay. Why you are asking about the money? Like I told. Then immediately what that person did is a tag in the cow head neck. He showed the scanner. Sir, can you please scan? Can you please pay? Can you please pay? Array, beggar also showing the scanner, man, to collect the money. Have you ever imagined this type of situation earlier? No, the people adapted already. The same way, AI also, until layman level, it's going to be adapted, sure. So, two things I want to explain. One thing, compulsory you require to learn AI. Okay, then only your productivity will be there. Your life will become very smooth. The person who adapt AI for his personal life, for his professional life, 10x growth will be there. The person who is not adapting AI. Remember that. So compulsory, you people should require to adapt AI. Okay, there is no other alternative at all. Ram Gopal Verma, I told in the demo sessions, Ram Gopal Verma, for the next movie, no music director is required. Sunoyap is already there. Sunoyap is already there for any kind of song. It will create lyrics, it will create song automatically. We are not required to have that. If you can ask ChatGPT, do you know Mahesh Babu next movie with Rajmouli? Yes, SSMB 28 or 29 is there. What is the story? ChatGPT is going to tell, no, I don't know story. Like, array, what may be your imagination? Can you please let me know? Then automatically it's going to provide complete story of that movie. Have you ever used that? Then okay, next do you know another what we call Pushpa? Pushpa 2 already came, Pushpa 3 is going to come. Then I will ask ChatGPT, do you know Pushpa 1 and Pushpa 2? Yes, I know, super hit movies. Then ChatGPT, can you please provide Pushpa 3? What will be the story? Not revealed. Okay. Can you please tell 10 possible stories? Then the ChatGPT is going to provide 10 possible stories for Pushpa 3 movie. Now I will ask the ChatGPT to connect the Indian audience. Which version is the too good? Can you please let me know? Okay, like instead of Sukumar releasing Pushpa 3, after 2 years or 1 year, just within a couple of months only we will release Pushpa 3, version 1, Pushpa 3, version 2, Pushpa 3, version 3. 10 versions are going to be released before original Pushpa 3. Getting the point, right? That AI is going to smash everything. Believe me, sir. Believe me. Okay? But we can handle. Don't worry at all. But we can. Everything happen is always good for us. So, highly recommended. Better to explore AI. One thing. Second, sir, my developer role, my jobs, if the jobs are not safe, if the job's gone, how we can handle the situation? Okay, like, sir, that's what we should become. Okay, we should like Matt Dietke means, sir, we have to adapt new things. Okay, which things are required for the company? Those things, if we adapt, then the company won't send out. Remember this. Which things are required for us? Which things are required for us? Okay, best example, best, sir, ML, data science, ML, data science, data science. Next, generative AI, generative AI, agentic AI, agentic AI. These are things. Just explore, just adapt. Then automatically, no one is going to touch you until few years in the software company. Adapt these things. Sir, I learned Selenium few years before. I want to be my life ends with Selenium only. If you are like that, then you will be fade out. One fine day, you will throw out from the company. Okay, as early as possible. Better to adapt these things. Highly recommended. Then, so happy. Okay, sir, I want to stay in the company. What things are required? So people are always asking the question. Then these are the things. Whatever demand, whatever company required, you should adapt to those things. Be ready for that. Sir, I want to stick to Java only. Then can you please check? Here we are not having any Java requirement. Can you please check any Java requirement is there? Okay, like so check, go out and check somewhere else. Like so, as long as your projects are there, no problem at all. But adapt to these things also for your future, for your stable job, stable income. Are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
So compulsory, this thing must be required, friends. Okay, adapt. Earlier in our childhood days, do you know Dynora TV is there, BPL TV is there. Can you ask? Can you go to the TV showroom? Are Dynora TV I required or BPL TV I required? Then the people are going to see from top to bottom. Sir, those are old. 30 years before, 40 years before TV, sir, you are asking. Like currently these things are not available. Why? Sir, first, those TVs only came, but now these days not there. What is the reason for that is they not adapted based on the market requirement. They are not changed based on market requirement. You require to change based on market requirement. Then only you will get on. Remember that. First mobile. What first mobile you bought? Anyone can you please tell? What is your first mobile phone you used?
Nokia, sir.
Nokia, right? A big phone, this much size. Huh? Big phone, this much size. Nokia phone. But now, how many people are buying Nokia phone these days? No one. Very rare. Very rare. The people won't see the Nokia. They won't prefer. Even Microsoft took that Nokia, but still They are not in a position to make into bright light, make into limelight of that Nokia phone. What the reason for that is they a bit late, a bit delayed in the market, current market requirement. They are not in a position to trend. Apple, everyone, Apple, iPhone, everyone, Oppo, or okay. So like whatever these people adapted like, but they are not in the position to adapt. That is the bigger problem. So new technologies will come. No problem at all. It's a part of software engineer means if we should be adapt. We should ready to adapt any new things whatever happen in the industry. Then only we will be there. Remember that. Earlier, do you know? Just to prepare a presentation. Have you observed right? Gamma. Array respond. Gamma. To prepare a presentation PPT, how much time we require to spend? But now, matter of 1 second, matter of 5 seconds, your presentation is ready. Really, how beautiful. So the things are easy things are coming. Easiness, there are a number of tools which are making our life will become very easy for you people. Okay, adapt, utilize in your personal life, in your professional life. So for few days, identify best mentor, better to adapt these things. Again, I'm telling, very important point, sir. Very important point. YouTube videos. Next are books. May provide solution. But when the correct mentor is there, then this person is going to provide in fast way when compared with these things. Better to identify, maybe anywhere, better to identify best mentor, better to adapt as early as possible. If your company is reaching you, hurry, the people who want to adapt AI or who want to use AI, only those people only will be there. The remaining people can send out. Then you are not required to go out. Adapt these things. Okay, identify the best mentor. Okay, like so, take a bit very special care about this terminology. Are you getting the point right?
Yes, sir.
So next, these are the future skills which are required. Sir, what about the situation now currently? Okay, we are okay. What about the situation for our kids? Okay, sir, kid, morning to evening, IIT standard, oh, doing that, doing this. Those days gone. Those days gone. What is the need of remembering all that nonsense in our brain? Have you observed what the need of remembering all that nonsense in our brain? ChatGPT is there. No company is banning ChatGPT. Okay, you can ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT, I required so and so. Okay, the company people are asking, are they better to use Copilot? These kind of things. Because within the short span you can complete the tasks, right? Then if all these things are there, what is the need of learning that physics, that chemistry, dot. Okay, like the earlier, the way of learning the things for our kids also completely got changed, man. Okay, so which type of skills are required for our kids? Which next generation? So which type of things are required? Okay, very simple. Visionary. Visionary. Visionary means, do you know? Suppose after 10 years, how the cinema will be, how the future will be. We require to visualize such type of visionary person can able to get on in the next generations. Remember that visionary. So he has to forecast what the things are going to be happen in the next 5 years, the next 10 years, the next 20 years. The cinema, the world is like this. The person who can imagine, the person who can what we call visualize, that person can able to get on in the industry. Okay, next creative thinking. Okay, why we require to do this? Why instead of this, is there any other shortcut way to do this? Creativity must be required, creative thinkings must be required, analytical things must be required, analytical thinking must be required. Okay, remember. So these are type of skills we require to develop instead of butting that 20 tables A to Z, these kind of things. Remember that. the person who can visualize, the more creative thinking must be required, more analytical thinking must be required. We should be in a position to create a new GPT like ChatGPT. We should be in a position to create our own AI tool to simplify, to solve the pain of majority of the people. The people who are reaching that level, they are always will be there with more and more high level packages. Traditional coding, traditional activities, these people by default definitely will be gone. Remember that. Okay, but my intention is not to create fear. In Telugu, we have one saying is there, కీడించి మేలించమన్నారు. What it means? First assume some problem is going to come and correct that, whether really that problem is coming or not. If really coming, we are already in a position to handle, so we won't face any big problem. Remember that. Okay, so if AI is going to touch you, no problem at all. We are already adapted. Now high level packages are going to come. We never expected such type of packages. Okay, we never expected such type of packages earlier. Such type of packages are going to come for the human. But the problem is, out of 10, only one person will get such type of job. 9 members may not have the job. Okay, prompt engineers, minimum salary, almost crores are offering for the prompt engineers. Crores are offering for the prompt engineers. How effectively we are going to write the prompt, that much effectively AI is going to work. Okay, effective. Even in India also, 30 to 40 lakhs is the average salary for the prompt engineer. These are things we require to adapt. Traditional things gone, whether you are going to accept or not, whether you are going to believe or not. Okay, a bit bitter things, but digest. So compulsory, you should aware these are things, you should adapt as early as possible. Okay, next and after that, for your kid level, for your next, better to improve yourself or your next generations, better to this type of thing must be required. Creative thinking, visionary kind of thing, analytical thinking, these are things no one, okay, no one is going to replace. Such type of skills we require to adapt, such type of skills we require to develop. Unique skills are required. Okay, but unfortunately, software industry, all technologies are working on predefined rules. Do you know? Suppose directly x is equal to 10 if I can take. I didn't declare int. Okay, then immediately compile time error we are going to get assume. Okay, what compile time error? Maybe data type is missing or something like we are getting error. Whether I am doing or you are doing or some X person is doing, same error we will get or not. Ayyo.
Yes.
Same error we are getting, same error we are going to get. Then automatically it's working on some predefined rules. If it is working on some predefined rules, such type of thing can be automated very easily. Okay, so most of the things, our lives will become very simple, friends. Okay, with these AI tools. But other hand, our lives will become very horrible with these AI tools. Next level, do you know, especially, so content writer's job by default gone or not? Now, sir, earlier what you are doing means I'm content writer, sir. For blogs, content writer, that's my job. Now, anyone can you expect content? Are you going to recruit any content writer?
No, sir.
No, that job already gone. Next, designer jobs. Sir, I want to prepare a beautiful brochure. I want to prepare one beautiful poster. Designer jobs. Are you expecting still designer jobs are required?
No, sir.
No. My AI tools are going to prepare in matter of 1 second. Just you require to create, only you require to ask in best way. The best prompt you have to give. Then automatically best thing are going to come. Next, very soon, AI movies also going to come. Already one Kannada movie came, whether it's released or not, I'm not sure. Complete. Characters are AI based, locations are AI based. Everything is AI. Movie, official movie only came into the picture. Do you know there is one movie came, graphics based movie, animation movie. What is the movie name? Very recently, it's a creating buzz like anything. What is that movie name?
Narsimha movies.
Mahavatar Narasimha. There is a movie, 200 crores collection, but the movie budget is only 15 crores. Everything is graphics. No character is there. No human character is there in the movie. Next, very soon, news readers. Already AI-based news readers came. They are very beautiful. These news readers are beautiful than Aishwarya Rai, Katrina Kaif. These people also. Ayo. Have you saw right? News readers, AI-based news readers. They are very beautiful. Okay. Next. Next. There is one hospital came in Saudi. AI-based hospital. That AI is going to tell. Hari, you can ask. You can ask. Very one example. How many people aware this or not? I'm not sure. One patient. Maybe Babu sir told or in the newspapers or it's a viral news. There is one patient. For the last 12 years, he is facing some problem. He approached that doctor, this doctor. There is no cure. Then very serious situation. He joined in some hospital. Hospital people also not in a position to provide treatment because any treatment, no response. Then they send, okay, can you please go? Very few days you will be gone like. Then automatically in that hospital one person, Hare, the ChatGPT is already there, AI is already there. Why don't you ask this ChatGPT? Okay, why don't you ask this AI tool? We will provide all the problems of this person. Then he provided all the issues related to this person, all the reports related to this person, hand over to ChatGPT. Then automatically ChatGPT told this person facing so and so problem. If you can provide a treatment this, there may be a chance, maximum chance to recover like that person provided. Then automatically, anyway, hopeless person, right? Why don't you start? Like he started providing the treatment in this style. Just a matter of, okay, 4 months, completely cured. Because human brain, up to certain level only thinking will be there. We can consider only few factors. Okay, but ChatGPT consider lakhs of factors at a time. My AI tools consider lakhs of factors at a time. More accurate results, 90% accuracy will be there. But for a human being, 30 to 40% accuracy only. 90% accuracy by default will be there. Then that patient happily came out without having any disease. Now if I face any problem, I will ask ChatGPT only. ChatGPT, this is the problem I'm facing. Can you please suggest? Then automatically ChatGPT is going to tell, Durga, you require to do this one. You have to approach. This approach you require to follow like. Then I follow. Now, if the ChatGPT is there with me, if AI tools are there with me, now I am getting energy of 100 elephants. In Telugu, we can use the word, 100 ఏనుగుల బలం అంటారు చూడండి. That energy we have, you have to utilize in that style. Remember this. I asked very recently, ChatGPT, my weight is gaining. Can you please guide me? Can you please guide me how to reduce my weight? How to reduce my weight? I asked ChatGPT. Then I gave one condition also to the ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, I want to do all activities. Can you please tell only one activity I have to do, which will provide highest result? Please provide such type of activity like. Then immediately ChatGPT told, no sugar into the body. Sweets, cool drinks, ice creams, these type of things can you please avoid? No sugar into the body. No sugar into the body. Wow, too good. Okay, I decided that day. Okay, no sugar into the body. Then after few days I asked her, ChatGPT, I'm doing this well, but how much time to see the results? 3 to 4 weeks compulsory required to wait, and then you can slowly I'm seeing the result. Good. ChatGPT, I can do another activity in addition to that. Only one activity I will do extra. Can you please guide what is the next activity I require to do that? Then immediately, okay, you are doing well about no sugar into the body. The second activity I will suggest for you. Now observe that the people who are who want weight loss, the ChatGPT told stories I'm telling with you people, very helpful. Then the second thing, okay, the second most activity what you require to do is nighttime dinner. Complete before 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock only. Don't go 9, 10 and so on. If you can do this activity, second activity, definitely there should be very impact like. After a few days, I ask her, yeah, I'm doing this also. Can you please suggest any other thing? Only one activity. I won't do any other activities. Only one more activity I can do. Total 3 activities I will do. Then immediately ChatGPT told the third most important activity what you are required to do, 8K to 10K steps per day. Better to maintain. Okay. Brisky walking, you require to do that. With these three, your weight by default will be reduced to normal. Don't worry. But only thing is consistency required to maintain. Then by default you can achieve the things like. Array. Then obviously 78 or 79, 18 year round. Now my weight is 70 to 73. Matter of just 2 months span. How beautiful. Just kidding. Just observe carefully. That's my intention is. Have you observed my point, right? So use AI for your personal growth. Use AI. Okay. Some person required to provide money to me. Hare ChatGPT, whenever I'm asking money about that person is always telling 2 days, 2 days, 2 days, 2 days. How I can do? How I can get the money in smooth way? Then ChatGPT is telling very smooth way. You have to follow up. No other alternative. Okay. You can convey your problem. Then they can understand. They will. Okay. Smooth way, smooth way, smooth way only. You required to be. So don't be aggressive. Something like any kind of thing, man. Better to utilize AI tools. AI tools are providing the solution for everything. Have you observed, right? Tomorrow I have an interview. Spring Boot and microservices. Can you please tell the best way to crack that interview? Only one activity I want to do. Please guide me. Okay, this is the thing you require to do. So, okay, I can do. One more activity I can do. Only 2 activities I want to do. Please guide me. These 2 activities should provide 80% of results. Only 2 activities I want to do that. Please provide. You can ask. Then it's always going to provide. It's always going to provide best solution. Okay, need not be ChatGPT. Here, one point you have to aware, sir. ChatGPT is a content generation AI tool. Okay, remember AI tool for your purpose. Specially designed multiple AI tools are available. Sir, for such type of activities, here this tool may not good. Suppose PowerPoint presentation you require. ChatGPT is not good. If you want to generate PowerPoint presentation, better to go for Gamma tool. Gamma. Okay, something like. Sir, I want to generate audio, music. ChatGPT is not good. Better to go for Suno. Suno, like. So you should be in a position, sir. I'm getting the mail. Every day I'm getting 10 mails. I require to I require to analyze those mails. I require to analyze those mails. And the mail data summary, can you please send it to my WhatsApp so that WhatsApp I can access more. Bullet points are required to WhatsApp. Then automatically use Zapier. Connect your mail and WhatsApp. Automatically your WhatsApp message you are going to get. Okay, or create a agent for your personal activities. Okay, every mail it's always checking. If it is really your attention is required, it will reply automatically to that mail. If really your intention, your perspection is required, then it will alert you. So once a mail came, can you please guide me? First time, second time onwards, I will take care. Create a agent, agentic AI for any activity. Do automation. Okay, not for your company project, for your regular activities. Learn AI for your personal life. Automatically you can use for professional life. Getting right? Are you feeling
Yes, sir.
comfortable?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No,
Any explanation is required? Yeah,
no.
you can talk. No problem. Ayo, am I creating fear? Eh?
Well, I think it helps actually. Whatever you gave the
Yeah.
insights, right? That is really helpful.
Better things we should accept, man. We should accept. I can tell, hey, nothing, no problem happened to you because of AI. Your job will be very safe. I can tell, but it's not fact. Okay, you may feel very happy. Ah, sir only told, nothing will happen for us. Already the people who already working in the companies, you already smelled what happening. You already tasted what happening in the company. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Everywhere automation, automation, automation. Automation must be required, man. My vote is also automation only. Why we have to depends on these bloody employees? Because my thing is, being employer, he's always concentrating more results, less efforts. More results with less money. More accurate results. Those are things I can get only through missions. If I'm getting through missions, then what is the need of human being? That's why everywhere automation. Automation must be, that must be required. Okay, so better to have some idea about as many as AI tools, so that even for your personal life also, these things are going to be very, very helpful. Believe me, sir. Okay, that's all. Just if you are having any doubts or any clarity, please let me know. I will explain.
Sir,
What do you want me?
can we switch from automation testing to generative AI or what?
Mandatory, man. You should. You should. Okay,
Yeah.
but it's very easy. Nothing will be there. Nothing is difficult.
So
Okay, remember.
suppose if you are switching the job to
Mm.
any means ML and data science or for things you have suggested.
Mm.
So if you are giving interview, means then they are asking for any experience. So we
Yeah,
don't.
yeah. Simple. Already you are working as a, don't tell this a trick outside, but it's recording. Yeah. What you can do, most of the times, even in my regular sessions also, there are some people who are coming, sir, I'm working on testing side, but testing growth is not there. I want to move to the development side. What I will suggest is, whatever previous experience you worked as you worked, okay, better to claim that as AI related experience, or ML or data science related experience. But you should be strong enough to justify that. Getting right?
Yeah, sir, but my position here is as a test lead, so it will not create problem.
Yeah, here what will happen is, most of the times, in your experience, these kind of things, okay, are you employee of that company or not, matters a lot. In which area you work, what is your role, these kind of things, I don't think the company is going to spell out.
Yes, sure, 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 sure. So can you suggest out of four,
Better
sir?
better to learn Python first.
Yes, sir.
After learning Python, so because generative AI, agentic AI, all these things are Python based. ML, data science, all. Okay, first better to explore generic AI terminology, prompt engineering, and then better to have these kind of things.
Sure, sir.
Need not be immediately, don't worry. Don't leave the job also. Don't leave the job, don't leave the company. Just start learning, start adapting for a few months.
Yes,
If it is really required, then you can utilize that opportunity to shift.
yes, sure, sir.
Yeah. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
The remaining
Durga,
people?
sir. Yeah, just one question, okay? Very generic question again.
Yeah.
I hope I'm audible, right? Yeah, you're. So currently I'm into this testing delivery.
Mm.
I'm hands-on in this ETL testing. I'm
Yeah.
hands-on the big data technologies. Again, testing side, right? Whatever
Yeah.
is limited to testing. Now I know I've been, a student of DurgaSoft, learning Python. But again, right, the confidence of that coding, right? It will not come. It's not there actually, if you ask me, right? But I need to, I want to do that, right? In terms of getting inside coding, automation, whatever data science, right? Because we all know we have been seeing this, and as you rightly said, next 2 years, that there is a trend which will definitely happen, that we have to go inside automation only. Everything is automated. So just to shift this, right? What do you suggest? Maybe within DurgaSoft, if I have to take any specific courses, any internship you have, or anything which you have hardcore sessions where we can get inside and have that hands-on confidence.
Yes, yes. Uh, for these things already the sessions are going on. But here one
Okay.
small thing you people should aware, from any trainer, from any mentor, you will get the basic idea. Okay, remember that. Even from Durga sir also. Durga sir can teach, Durga sir can. But how extend you are going to learn, how extend, how level you are going to reach, that depends on your effort. Okay, the faculty is telling some 10 points. Some 10 points. First perfect these 10 points and open the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, I learned these 10 points. Can you please add extra some 5 more points for me? 5 more points for me. Already you aware these 10 points. Then these 5 points easily you can aware. But directly you can approach may not understandable. Just very easily you may understand. Next, with these 15 points, can you please create some real-time use case scenarios? I want to practice. Can you please help me? Like now, use your AI tools for that extended learning sake very easily. Getting the thing, Ravi?
Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, here the problem here is everything someone is there, someone is going to guide me, everything whatever I required. So someone is there to guide. No such type of possibility. The faculties, the mentors, all these people are going to provide generic. These are the things generically you require to understand. Now you are getting basic idea. You are getting some 60 percentage or 70 percentage. The remaining things, the remaining customization based on your requirement, you require to explore on your own. Then immediately we ask, sir, what is the need? What is the need of mentor? Directly we can ask ChatGPT only. You can ask, but the time is going to be saved if you can follow some mentor. Not only this, for any kind of skill, mentor must be required. Remember that.
Hello, Durga sir. I have
Yeah,
one
yeah.
question. I
Sachin.
have a 10 plus year experience as a Java full stack developer plus cloud.
Yeah.
So shall I move I mean, shall I learn machine learning, data science, or shall I learn only generative AI?
You can learn directly generative AI, no problem at all. But internally, this generative AI also using LLMs.
Okay.
Okay. So getting the idea, at least these are things. Of course, most of the times, this generative AI faculty required the things which are required for backend. So full stack, Arjun Srikant sir is there. Full stack data science, full stack generative AI. There he may covered these the things which are required for the generative AI. Okay, Sachin.
Yeah, got it.
Moreover, first thing what you require to aware, you are currently doing Java developer with cloud, right? In that domain, what AI tools are going to simplify your life? First, you have to explore those things.
Yes, yes. We are using agentic AI tools which write a partial code for us. Just we are
Yes,
providing input.
correct. Okay, first you require to explore those things, and then you can talk about this.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Facebook CEO, I'm not sure, or Google CEO, someone used it. We are going to release some code writing AI tool very soon. Once that tool got released, no developer is required for us.
Yeah,
Who
sir.
announced this one?
I don't know, but there is a one tool in US market, Circle AI, which is writing a code and doing work, not required developer.
Okay, one CEO, either Google CEO, Sundar Pichai, or otherwise Facebook CEO, Zuckerberg. Among these two, one person gave this bold statement.
Zuckerberg, Mark Zuckerberg.
Mark Zuckerberg?
Yeah.
Yes. Believe. Then where is the question of developer requirement? Changing the face. Yeah, that's it. Any other doubts?
Yes, so for learning this, we need to learn Python first. Then step by step, we have to follow like ML and then
Yes, correct, correct. So, but anyway, full stack generative AI or full stack data science, if you can consider, just check the syllabus. In that, all the things whatever required will be covered there. But only one point you have to remember: the mentors will provide 60%, 70%, 50% only. The remaining effort you require to take on your own.
yes, sir.
Any mentor, including me also. Okay. Yeah. Any other doubts, please?
Sir,
You can ask. The people who are in hurry, you can leave. No problem.
are you taking Python classes also for
No,
the?
currently I'm not taking any sessions. Only life skill batch I'm taking. Life skills.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maybe you. So my just you can check with Sundar sir and you can access my videos.
Sir, any upcoming batch from your side regarding data science, AI, machine
No.
learning?
Just I want to be life skills. I want to learn and I want to use for my personal growth.
Okay, because you took 3 to 4 year gaps, I think, approx.
5 years around.
And I'm a student of SCGB batch 2014.
Oh, excellent. Almost around 11 years before.
Yes, now I have a 10 plus year experience.
10 plus years of experience, 11 years before student. Good man. Very happy to listen.
Yeah.
Sachin. Yeah.
And one
You are
more
attending
thing.
that session also, right, Sachin?
Yes, yes,
Morning
everything.
batch?
If tomorrow you are taking a class like how to make a tea, I am a first student will join.
Thank you, Sachin. So have you, you attended, right? That morning session, who not how
Yes,
batch?
yes, yes, yes.
How it is? Is it helpful
Very
for
good.
you?
Yeah, 100%.
So is your productivity is increasing?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, good thing. Good, Sachin. Any other doubts?
Yes, sir. Suppose if you want to join your batch, so is it newly started or?
No, it's already started. What you can do is you can access from the website. DurgasoftOnline.com is there. My online videos we recorded. That batch videos on online. DurgasoftOnline.com is there. There you can see some course. Okay, think big, grow fast. Who not how. Okay, you can access those videos, and tomorrow onwards, if you want, you can come 78.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, any other? That's all. Tomorrow, maybe if Babu sir is not available, I will take the session. But tomorrow I will maybe related to AI or maybe related to my life skills. I will take the session if Babu sir not available. But day after tomorrow definitely will be there. Don't worry. Just on some urgent registration work, he is out of the town.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
Sir,
Any other
Thanks
doubts
a
you
lot.
can ask me. Or if you are not having the doubts, happily you can exit.
Any other supplies into software industries, some supporting works, otherwise
Can you repeat again, please?
AI impact to only developers, otherwise any other works is also there into software industry, supporting works, production supporting works. It is also impact to those AI tools, otherwise also.
Who is this person? What's your name?
PRK Raj.
Huh?
PRK Raj.
PRK Raj. Raj.
Yeah.
I told right in the very small village,
Okay.
Pujari is getting the affected.
Okay.
Okay, Pujari activity also automated.
Okay.
Then production activities, all these things automation by default will be there.
Okay.
Okay, may not immediately, but long term definitely it's going to be happen. Sir, simple. If the service is going to be, if the work is going to be done with the 10 rupees, why I require to pay 100 rupees?
Okay.
So, especially software related, all the things are working based on some predefined rules. Correct, right?
Yeah, right.
Any technology is always working based on some predefined rules.
Okay.
Wherever predefined rules are there, automation will become very easy.
Okay.
Yeah, automation scripts already there, right? In the production also, multiple scripts we are using.
Yeah, right.
Now that will become more effective with AI.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about into the SAP? How to impact into the SAP side into any impact SAP side?
I'm not sure about SAP.
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Any other? That's it, friends. Hartik, Deepak, Bhavani, Gaur, Ashutosh. Okay, right, sir. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet for the continuation part. Okay, don't take a negative way, but accept the fact and better to adapt based on better to do any changes are required for you. That's about my main intention.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you for your
Right,
interest.
sir. Thank you. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet for the continuation.
Yes,
Thanks so
bye.
much.